Brain fag. Idiocy may alternate with foreign irritability. Head. Feels bound up, or in a vice. Occipital pain extending down spine, better lying down and by pressure. Head symptoms relieved by expelling flatus, sanguine, and by stool. Hair feels pulled. Vertigo with drowsiness, with palpitation, head hot after vertigo ceases. Eyes. Photophobia, swelling of meibomian glands. Rolling of eyes on falling asleep. Eyes drawn downward, pupils dilated. Ears. Feel obstructed. Sense of something hot from ears. Hissing sound. Nose. Stocked up with much thick mucus. Herpetic eruption on tip of nose. Frequent ineffectual desire to sneeze. Face. Puffed. Red spotted, collapsed. Expression anxious, full of pain, linear nasal marked. Mouth. Dry. Afts. Tongue seems too long. Burning and pustules in throat, with difficult swallowing. Stomach. Intolerance of milk. Vomiting as soon as swallowed in large curds. Hungry after vomiting. Regurgitation of food about an hour after eating. Violent vomiting of a white frothy matter. Nausea at sight of food. Painful contraction of stomach. Vomiting, with sweat and great weakness, accompanied by anguish and distress, followed by sleepiness. Stomach feels turned upside down, with burning feeling up to the chest. Tearing pains in the stomach extending to esophagus. Abdomen, cold, internal and external, with aching pain in bowels. Colic, followed by vomiting, vertigo, and weakness. Tense, inflated, and sensitive. Bubbling sensation around navel. Stool, undigested, thin, greenish, preceded by colic, with tenesmus, and followed by exhaustion and drowsiness. Cholera infantum, child cold, clammy, stupid, with staring eyes and dilated pupils. Obstinate constipation, feels as if all bowel action is lost. Choleric affections in old age. Urinary, cutting pain in bladder, with frequent urging. Pain in kidneys. Female, lancinating pains in sexual organs. Pimples, itching when warm. Menses watery, swelling of mammary glands, with lancinating pains. Respiratory, difficult, oppressed, anxious respiration, crampy constriction. Sufferings render patient speechless. Heart, violent palpitation, with vertigo, headache and restlessness. Pulse rapid, hard and small. Back and extremities, want of power to stand up or hold head up. Back feels as if in a vice. Aching in small of back. Weakness of lower extremities, fingers and thumbs clenched. Numbness of hands and feet. Violent spasms. Squinting of eyes downward. Skin, excoriation of thighs in walking. Easy perspiration. Surface of body cold and covered with clammy sweat. Lymphatic glands swollen. Itching eruption around joints. Skin of hands dry and shrunken. Ecchymosis. Anasaka. Fever. Great heat, no thirst. Profuse, cold sweat. Must be covered during sweat. Sleep. Disturbed by violent startings, cold perspiration. Dozing after vomiting or stool. Child is so exhausted, it falls asleep at once. Modalities, verse, 3 to 4 am, and evenings, warmth, summer. Better in open air and company. Compare, athamantha, confused head, vertigo better lying down, bitter taste and saliva. Hands and feet icy cold, antimon, calc, ars, secutor. Complementary, calc, dose, 3rd to 30th potency.